Today we have the 2022 Audi Q4. This vehicle has done just over 32,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature. And on the right, we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access radio, smartphone integration and navigation. We also have our vehicle settings, phone apps, favourites, users, news and weather. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below we have our dual zone climate control, and if we press our drive select button, we can switch between our 5 different driving modes.